Hello YouTube and welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be building the monogram Hawk P-6E. And this was a really fun kit to make, even though it's like 60 years old, and honestly, yeah, like I said, a great kit, really easy, and this was also the first kit I airbrushed, which in my opinion that went really well. So we're going to show you the video and you'll see how it goes. Also, on another note, I'm really sorry about the mic quality. I do have a microphone, but I just can't work out how to get it to connect to my computer. So I'll work out at some point, but I'm not sure when that'll be. Hopefully soon. I'll try and see if my mate knows what he's doing with it. A little bit of filler was required on this, but it was nothing like major, and to be honest you could have got away with just painting over it, but because I was airbrushing it I wanted to put some filler on it just to make sure there wasn't any sort of gap on there, you know, just to make sure it didn't look terrible. The first colour I sprayed was humbrol 155 olive drab. Came down really nicely, although it did have a bit of a weird smell to it, so I didn't really trust that. But you know what? That's not my problem. It came out fine, and it worked great. So, and yes, this was also my first experience with airbrushing. So, pardon if you think my technique's a bit weird or a bit wrong, but you know what? I'm happy with how it's done, so I'm just going to leave it at that. Next colour I used was the Hataka Jet Black. I did a little bit of masking here, and then just painted right where the bit I meant to paint, and it came down really nicely with no issues. This is the Hataka Blue Cat, and although it's optimised for brush painting, I quite like it for the airbrush, and I think the consistency works well with my airbrush. is I used humbrol 24. First off it came out a bit too thick, so then I put some like water in it and then it just came out perfect, which is all I wanted. Although as you can see it looks like it's coming out fine, it's not. It was a bit patchy and all that sort of stuff, so it took 2 coats to get perfect. With that, I want to thank you all very, very much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sorry it's taken so long to get out. I've just not had any motivation at all to get the audio done. But here it is. I'm really sorry it took so long, and be sure to like, subscribe and comment if you feel like it. If not, it's fine by me. So thank you for watching, and have a great rest of your day, evening, morning, however it is for you. Thank you.